Amazing rocks around us. Rocks are all around us. Some are hard, some are soft, and some even float on water. Let's explore different types of rocks and how we use them in daily life. Granite. Hard and strong. Used in buildings and kitchen countertops. This is basalt. Dark and heavy. Forms when lava cools quickly. Pumice. Light and full of holes. A light rock that can float on water. Obsidian. Smooth and shiny. A shiny black rock that looks like glass. Sandstone. Gritty and layered. Made of sand grains pressed together. Limestone. Soft and chalky. Contains tiny sea creatures from long ago. Shale. Breaks into layers. Can split into thin layers easily. Marble. Smooth and colorful. Used in statues and fancy buildings. Slate. Hard and splits easily. Used for blackboards and roofs. Quartzite. Tough and glassy. A strong rock made from sandstone. Coal. Black and brittle. Used as fuel for energy and heating. Chalk. Soft and white. Made from tiny sea animals and used for writing. Flint. Hard and sharp. Used by early humans to make fire. Tough. Soft and porous. Forms from volcanic ash. Soapstone. Smooth and soft. Feels smooth and is used for carving.